I had such a shopping day and I could not believe I forgot my camera. Let me show you guys what I managed to get at Home Bargains and B&M. I'm definitely going back, so that'll definitely be a vlog because they've got some nice stuff just for the home, you know. I mean, I did get this. I got these feathers because we've been wanting them for our vase in the front room, and this is probably the thickest I've seen because the one in Pound Stretcher is not like this, and these were £4, so I got 4. So yeah, I got those. Right, let's go through because some stuff I actually did get. Some little stuff I got for home, some little stuff I just got for, like, I was trying to think of Santa sacks for the kids and Bay, and then there's some little extra stuff just to wrap up, you know, just to bump it. But I really am done. There's like 3 more things I need to buy, 3 more games to the Switches that I bought for them, but I'm not stressing myself about that. Oh god, I'm done. I'm so tired of spending money. Some forks, and there were 4 because we need more forks. So I don't know where the forks disappear in this house. But these 4 for just £1.29, you know. I think that's actually pretty good. These are napkins. It's like with a nice little star. They go with the table runner. Because now I bought a black one. I thought, you know, it's Christmas, so let's get a white one and decorate it with red. Oh, ho ho ho! I got some new tea towels, and these were like £2. We need new ones because, oh guys, if you see the old ones, Lord have mercy. Some face masks. I got 2 pajamas for Jade. These 2. Because he always is full. He's such a boy. He always falls asleep in like jogging bottoms and tracks bottoms. So I'm like, you know what, at least if you have like, start off with 2 pajamas and just rotate them and get into the habit of showering, putting on your pajamas and going to bed. I got him his first shaver because he started to grow facial hair. And I got all of this stuff as I bargained with those. This was like £2. This mini Bailey with chocolates. It's a nice little gift, but I'm gonna put it in Bay's Santa sack. This was like, I think this was £3.50. Oh. Another thing for the Santa sack. All these are Santa sacks, guys. These are going in the Santa sacks with some sweets and some chocolates, like the way Mum used to do it. This is actually when I wrapped this. Look at all this stuff, it's so cute. This was like, this is a face mask. So if you guys are just looking to get something quick, I'm gonna see if I can release this vlog fast so you guys can see. You can just go to B&M or Home Bargains and just quickly pick up some stuff for cheap, £3-4, wrap it up. Bob's your uncle, mate. This is like £1. This is gonna go in the Santa sack. This one's Javon's one. I got one for Liv as well. Got this for the bathroom. Coconut almond and vanilla hand wash because we ran out. I just saw it this morning that we ran out. This was 89p and it's pretty big. 500ml. Big. That's gonna go in the bathroom. I need to sort that out, separate it from the kitchen stuff and whatnot. Now chocolates, these were from B&M. It was like 3 for £10. I'm not even sure if that's good because I haven't been done my Christmas shopping yet. Oh, I've got this from B&M as well, some XXL. You know, Liv is obsessed with makeup, so I got this for £2.50. So we'll see how that works. That's going in her Santa sack. I've got Screen Wash, and this was like £1 from B&M. You guys want a little top up with Screen Washes. Some vanilla scented oils. And you can see it was £2.50 from B&M. You get 4. Yeah, I've got a diffuser, so they can go in that. Oh, again, a de-icer, so it's £2 for the car. And I think this is so cool. I thought, what is this? And it was like a pick and mix, and it's got like the bags, it's got a scoop, it's got stickers. It's so cute. 10 goodie bags, 30 marshmallows, 720 gigabyte gummy mix. I should have actually got 2, to be honest. I make like a pick and mix stand. You know what I'm saying? What? So I might actually pick up another one. Because it was only like, it was cheap. It was like under a £5. I'm like, oh my god, this is so dope. So definitely got that. This is much better value than the actual quality street tin. So I got this because this was 750 gram. That one was 550, and that one was £6 something. And this was like £4.50 or something silly like this. And it's big. I get tired of having those tins because we got so many of them. I used to use them as food containers, to be honest, but you can only have so much food containers before it turns into clutter. So let me have it like this so I can throw it in the bin. Got these 2 sweet treats. 2. These were how much? £4. My auntie always buys these and keeps them in her car. I feel like I should have got one more tin. Maybe I should have picked up another 2, but I'm probably gonna go back to that B&M before New Year's. B&M, Home Bargain. Because I don't know where the hell ours was gone. And you know I need it for my shaver, my body shaver, and my toothbrush. I don't know where it's disappeared. I've been using a manual toothbrush. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to put one here. And I know Liv needs one. These are going to go in a Santa sack. Candy cable. What's this? What's this? My mum always used to get me a Santa sack in it, so it was my time to be a big kid, and it feels nice doing it for the kids to share a baby. But I think that's the only thing I miss. I'm gonna miss is my mum doing it for me. I feel like this. Yeah. But I definitely need to go back to the perfume shop. I didn't know perfume shop did all of that, to be honest. Because I'm so used to going fragrance shop. Because I always used to think fragrance shop was cheaper. And then I really made friends with one of the workers in our one here. And she just made... I felt like the fragrance shop was actually cheaper. I don't think that is cheaper now. Because looking at the prices, it's like, really? But the fragrance shop used to be cheaper for me. So I just stopped going perfume shop. But... oh my god, perfume shop has like a proper range of things, a proper range of scents, like, oh god. So I'm definitely going there to treat myself. But I was trying to avoid buying proper stuff for the house and all of this stuff. I'm like, Junior, Christmas, let's concentrate. Come January, you can come back and blah 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 blah, because all this stuff is gonna go down price. You know what I mean? That's why I have to be so smart of the things you're buying, because it pisses me off when I buy something and I see a week later that it's gone down in price. It just leaves me lost for words. You see, I got tongue tied because I was getting frustrated. I'm feeling like, I don't know, maybe we need you a bit thicker. I'm gonna buy probably another 4. I'll get another 3. Right, so this is my chicken. So sitting in some salt and some apple cider vinegar. This is turkey wings and cow foot. I'm just gonna wash it thoroughly right now, to be fair, and then it's gonna be going in the pressure cooker. I've got some plantain. Guys, this is so good. Like, it just enhances any stews or soups if you're making bolognese. Oh, I love this. Like, it's so sweet. Oh no, everything says mixed together now. Onions and everything sorted out. Alright, I love this. It's just so easy. It's doing its 40 already. I think that's perfect. Look, I have to do nothing. I just love it. I was so into watching EastEnders, I forgot I was cooking. So this is the meat. It's all cooked now. I just need to get a fork just to make sure that it's tender. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Look, right off the bone. I just dipped it right off the bone. Look at that. Put the cow foot. Yeah, soft. The cow foot is soft. It's okay. Oh, yep. Turkey is ready. This is what's on the board. 2 big peppers. I'm gonna do 1.5. The whole onion. Probably half a garlic. Tiny bit. You can see a bit of the stock down there. Yeah, I'm gonna just put about trim. Hi guys, so since I've added 2 Maggies and everything to the pot from the pressure cooker, I already see that it's cooking up so nicely and it tastes so good. Okay, put this down now. Look how it's looking. Plantains in there. Rice in the cooker. I feel achieved.